I say Wahala Day. Ladies and gentlemen, Wahala Day. You know, Wahala one day be say, it just be like where somebody eat bone. You know, when you eat bone, you get as they do you for truth. Sometimes even maybe you drink water or you try to swallow something to make it come down. Eh? The bone go disagree to come down. The bone go just hook there. Oh, for Nigeria, now wow, because waiting they happen, waiting person they see. Too plenty. I say the bone go just hook there. It go just hook. You no go come out, you no go down, it go just hook there. You understand? Now so this election, now so it just hook. The thing just hook Atiku for truth. Atiku and PDP people for truth. The thing just hook them for truth. Seriously. Now I make our people say every day for the thief, one day for the owner of the house. You know, say, and then they also they talk say, they not say person when they do, make it not they do. But now one day go come when we say you go see waiting big pass you. And when you see waiting big pass you, you no go understand how that thing when big pass you take just surface. You understand? Because this thing now, the reason why they talk this thing be say, this election, he hook PDP them and Atiku Abubakar when be their boss for neck. You know if you swallow the defeat, you know if you throw and come out. Ulalo say PDP people, they have been a very bad set of political cabals. Them PDP people, their time now war, their rigging now problem. Everything when they do now war. She don't understand. Now their strategy, you know, say even the time when they say they won't come, before the election surface. You know, say the PDP people, they don't even tell us what thing then they come back and do. The only thing when they try to tell us be say they won't come sell everything we will get. So this one now come be see, he come hook them for neck when be say man, see rigging. You know, this one now when they see now be see, this one a mafia style, like they call it when Jubri used for them. You know, see, then themselves, then try to rig, but when then they rig, they are rigging. They don't know say rigging, they pass rigging. Now him be say, well, I got to say, uno de mad. Uno no say I be ex-military officer. Uno no say I be ex-military officer. When don't kill many people. So you won't come try me. You won't come try my government. So who not be? Who not be self? Oh, see who them be say, man, if you not try me, you not fit try. Now when I don't sit down for the power, if you not come, anyhow when I take come, anything when I see, you not go manage them. Because me when be Jubri, I not fit come up for power. I not fit leave this power until 4 years time. Atiku say sure, we go see for court. Then Buhari then tell and say, we also go see for court. We say get waiting you get, we get our own. Bring your own come, we go follow you up. All the whole PDP members, all of them back off. Leave the matter for Atiku Abubakar. Atiku Abubakar wait like Egbe wait just say man. Oh, all the whole PDP members now for Kidi they tell on I say all of them don't put head inside shell. Because you say man, this Jubri went there, they don't say he not give a fuck. He not send you message. You know say in owner Operation Python 3. Now they used to they come anybody when one can say you too much. Buhari go tell you say in getting Operation Python 3 when you go take comb your problem for you. That make as you see Nnamdi Kanu no fit run come back to Nigeria again. That make Nnamdi Kanu run come off for Nigeria because Nnamdi Kanu know wetin he see. Nnamdi Kanu know wetin he see. If Nnamdi Kanu not take if that man what they call Atiku Abubakar not take time, wetin Nnamdi Kanu see self go be smarting for wetin Atiku Abubakar go see for Jubri hand. I say if PDP members with their Atiku Abubakar, in fact Buhari go even make the show with them in the court. You don't know now in the court he go just scatter Atiku Abubakar even with his whether any lawyer, whether a rent lawyer from America, Buhari no go drop a message for you. I say if Atiku Abubakar not take time, wetin Nnamdi Kanu see go they learn for wetin Atiku Abubakar go see with PDP people. Because they know say the person where they deal with Nam ex-military general. No. Now fake military general from Sudan. Amino al-Sudani alias Jubri. Because Atiku Abubakar know say that one ex-military Amino al-Sudani Jubri from Sudan, from Khartoum. Now the important come. So this one, you no go see your face, so ladies and gentlemen. This one no go see your face because he gets some underground mafias. Then when they tell her what to they do, how he go take comb them, how he go take destroy Atiku Abubakar and PDP people. When they say they don't open their mouth, why? When they want to take sell, even sell our Aso Rock. Even can sell from Kidi join. I don't tell her when be youth. I don't tell her before say. I don't tell her I say make gonna take time because that man when in fact when pursue Nnamdi Kanu self not you not even know when he take leg run enter Ghana. Oh, when I see the time when we say Obas, when be OBJ of the Nigerian people, when OBJ they talk say, Atiku Abubakar support to not support. When I see say that Sudanese not even minor, the Sudanese man not even minor. He not even minor, and they don't tell and saying they come when they come back. In go Obasanjo go here anyway. I don't know now whether Obasanjo don't run enter America. I don't know whether even Atiku self, even all of them, Uche Secondos, them Saraki them. I don't know whether they don't run enter America now, ladies and gentlemen. Because last time I see when this man what they call OBJ just swap come out from nowhere like Ono Pio Pio. Come they talk say they can't go. I not go. I see they. I say sure. See this one. Where this one come from? I said Jubri just look and say if I wave one of my hand, you don't finish. Jubri when be say in they use Operation Python dance, now they take attack anybody, even you be thief or even people when we say them be innocent people, you go use Operation Python dance follow you. When you be innocent person, not to talk of say you won't come challenge and say make him come up for the power. When we say in don't claim say him win. When even the Queen of England, Queen Elizabeth, they don't congratulate him American people, different people, countries that don't congratulate him. Then Atiku Abubakar go come from nowhere with PDP member. Come they tell a whole military general say, Neki say, then go see for court. Oh, see, Atiku Abubakar not just try that level, because if you try that level, you all don't finish, because you know say inside that court na Operation Python dance na him Jubri take gather everywhere. He just surrender you. If you go there, you know say if he swallow you, not try him, because in fact we know say Buhari the rigging style at the highest level. Went in with them, all these them, what they call this them, he said cabas them. When they for him back, when they tell us say go, nothing they happen. You know say that the one PDP man don't come and come tell the INEC say may they not try to call the result, because the result na fake result, the result na null and void. Okay. You know, immediately that man don't talk in owner, so the cabal just root out. They just root out from nowhere. Come tell the INEC chairman, say, man, this election you have to call just announce the election. Say the result. Say Jubri don't win. Quick before you go see what you they look for, because we don't pay you. We don't pay you if you not announce this and you are going down. That's why INEC officer, the INEC chairman just carry mic, begin announce saying that Jubri win. Saying that Jubri win. Election when they no hold. Now him Atiku Abubakar won't try. The person name, that kind of person name Atiku Abubakar won't come try. Say, you know, the man no go even care. You know, say the man is from Sudanese. He no go even care. Because you know, say him na Sudanese, he not be them Atiku Abubakar, them outside of Fulani people. Because the man not they speak fufu day. Before the man they speak fufu, but now they speak the fufu again. He no one know. They say not they speak fufu, but the other man when be say na him be Minister of Information, don't talk say man, the man still they speak the fufu day. But when I come try to ask Buhari something, we are be Jubri something with the fufu, the man not fit speak the fufu. But after I come begin to speak him again, after I come stop him again, after na him that one be say that one when be say Kano don't tell them say man. This man not they speak the fufu again. No, before the man be they eat too much fufu. Now the man not they eat fufu again. You understand? So the whole matter be because now the thing when they be say na big battle. And me when be Funky D, I want make una the battle, make una the battle. Now the one when me and they just they wait, they see how the battle want to play out. So the Nigerian youth, I don't tell una say make una take this thing easy. You say man. Say make una take this thing easy. All of una, nobody hear me. Nobody want less like say waiting for Kidi they talk I beg. I go collect my money, go vote for PDP. Now, all the whole rapper, all the whole money when Atiku Abubakar spend, take buy people, buy both king and the queen and buy both Ohaneze. But where the Ohaneze now? Where the Ohaneze people now? Make I see one of Hanese when be saying one do like say in had the boil, make it travel saying one go reach Aso Rock. Even that man, what do they call it? What be that in name? Nnayamudo. Make I see how he want take travel go when even in the Kano they fight all of them even the ones that went to Lagos. I say see these people. All of them just they deny Nnamdi Kanu, they deny Biafra. I say see these people. Una they follow Meluman. Now una don't follow Atiku Abubakar. Go travel now, go Aso Rock. Whether you go even fit come back. And you go carry 2 leg go. If you they come back, maybe then go allow you to come back with 1 leg. Even get sorry, ladies and gentlemen, even get where then they thumb print and they do like say that they call result that night when I they watch that day. In fact, when they count the PDP, PDP, I can't they hear for background. One guy just they shout, share the money. I say, share the money. I say, share what? Una won't come share again. I say, okay. Well, now what Nigerian people want be that. Now the thing when me I think that day. I don't know say even all those one where they can't say PDP 100, PDP this and that. I don't even know say they don't. I think the breed they don't rig everything. I don't know say they don't already get their own results separate. And I know say even before the election, we see many people when we say they carry result. When they don't write, even one guy when they drive one white Hilux, when they come ask and say who get this white Hilux, he say na Okpabio brother na ain't get that Hilux. Mean Okpabio na ain't write that result. You know them breaking here. I say make una just cut off in ear for there because you know they hear what. I don't want to say me una not go snatch ballot boss. Me una go line up for more show. All of una they go line up for yeah people. Now those yeah people now, I say they don't come. Buhari don't come back. Now una go know who Buhari be. Now una go see in true color. As if Mr. Kenya tell them say, if you not PDP, if you not get on result, we get our own, we get our evidence, and we get our result. That is why I want make Iswanyanya for APC and PDP seek political parties and their political cabals. Now this one I get for now today. Nonsense, people. Funky D. Thank you.